Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the day of our Mercy Kit packing. This is the morning session that's going on. Mercy Kit is a seasonal drive that is done every year before the month of Ramadan, where we pack grocery kits and distribute it to the surveyed beneficiaries that are in need. Project Smile, the very first project that we started was with Mercy Kids. For all of you who are joining live, thank you a lot for supporting Project Smile. This year too, we are here in the morning session of packing that's going on. Yeah, the kids are working really hard this year as well, as you can see. So let me take you to the individual sections. We are here at our Avalhalli Community Center, Project Smile Community Center, where a lot of Yuvakula activities happen. The Smile Seva Kendra and the medical center are here as well, and that's where the Nook activities, education and computer clubs and taekwondo classes happen here. This is our Project Smile Community Center. This is where the warehouse is, and all the groceries were stocked up over here. From the morning, our volunteers have been setting up chains to make packing organized and easy effort. So we are starting with, I think the rice kits are separate. Thank you, sister. Starting with, what is Godi? What do you call Godi? Atta, yeah. Atta. Ragi. Okay, please join me and tell me. This is Ragi. Ragi, 3 kg. Sugar. Amale? Tur dal, moong dal. Okay. Then black chana. Okay. Suji. Okay. Dates. Okay. Dates. Then tea powder. Semia for 2 packets. Papad, okay, ghee, okay, and all the dry masalas, chili, dhania and turmeric, okay, and then you have goond, katira goond. Goond and sabza, okay, and ruabza, okay. This whole thing gets packed into the kids and it gets zip tied over here, and which is then passed on to our storage centers inside. These packed Mercy kits are then delivered to different surveyed localities. This year, apart from the Bangalore areas, we are also providing grocery kits to areas near the periphery of Bangalore, a little remote areas like Ramnagar and a few others where the need for such a simple grocery kit is also a lot more, to make Ramadan a little more easy, a little more comfortable and with a little bit of dignity. We try to reach out to those in need before Ramadan begins so that they can have a comfortable Ramadan from since its inception till Eid as well. And of course we also have Eid kit that gets distributed every year. So we have Saqib here. Can you tell me what areas we are distributing to? One is Bangalore, and then?
In Bangalore we are doing it in 4 areas. And in out of Bangalore we are doing in Tumkur, Ramnagar, Channapatna, and probably also in Kanakpur.
Ramnagar, Channapatna, Tumkur and Kanakpura. Okay. So you heard Saqib. These are the areas that we are going to be distributing our Ramadan Mercy kits towards, and the distribution also will happen very soon, and we will send out a flyer message asking all of you to participate in our distribution as well, in order to uphold mercy and dignity, which is our core value systems. We actually go to the homes of the beneficiaries and make sure that they receive these kits. So in whatever way that you can support us, please do so. Volunteer with your friends, families, and make this effort a unified effort, or come join us for distribution, or the donation link is already given in the one of the stories or the post. You can follow that and donate towards these mercy kits as well. Before you begin your Ramadan, make an intention to make somebody else's Ramadan a little more easier and comfortable. What they call is intentional charity. Please do so. These kits are eligible for your zakat and sadaqah as well. So share the khair, spread the message towards your friends and families, get involved in whatever way possible, and just gain a little bit of rewards in the eyes of Allah as well. Thank you so much. May all of you who have supported us all these years, may Allah smile towards all of you and your family and make it easy for all of us. Jazakallah khairan.